Buckle up! Prepare for an adrenaline-fueled journey as massive machines face unexpected challenges and epic fails. Get ready to dive into the thrilling world of heavy equipment in action. Out of nowhere, the crane fell dramatically, crashing to the ground. Fortunately, there was no one in the vicinity, averting what could have been a catastrophic incident. Suddenly, a massive boulder came crashing down right onto the excavator, narrowly missing disaster but leaving everyone stunned. This wind turbine caught fire. What a huge loss! Just think about the damage, the cost of repairs, and the environmental impact. The truck veered off course and crashed. Disaster seemed inevitable, but the diver miraculously slowed down in time, narrowly avoiding catastrophe. Hold on tight, this crane looks like it's losing its balance and is about to tip over. Oh no! The excavator's bucket struck the water pipe with force, sending water shooting out in every direction, creating a chaotic scene. This shows why mining is one of the riskiest jobs in the world. The crane tipped over, but thanks to the driver's quick reflexes, he managed to save himself just in time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Suddenly, thousands of gallons came crashing down from the rooftop tank, an unexpected danger during the demolition. Oh no! The crane unexpectedly tipped over, plunging straight into the water. This container desperately needs a much stronger lift to handle the load. That plane's landing went terribly wrong. Thankfully, they can report the pilot is safe after the incident. The building is coming down smoothly, but with the power and force, it's still a dangerous task to watch. Trying to bring down a boulder, he made a dangerous attempt. Failing could lead to time loss and injuries, but thankfully he managed it without harm. The container was swept into the water by the powerful 12 winds. It happened so suddenly. That was just stunning. The driver's skill in that moment was absolutely on point. That was a nerve-wracking moment. The crane was so close to disaster. Forget superheroes, we've got an excavator. Watching it pull that truck free was a jaw-dropper. Can you feel the power? I was holding my breath the whole time. The sight of that truck sliding down the mountain road was intense. Luckily, no crash. Suddenly, the crane toppled over in a dramatic fall. Luckily, no one was nearby. This crane simply couldn't manage the enormous weight of that large module. Fortunately, there were no injuries in this incident. Here's an excavator on thin ice. One misstep and it could fall right through, plunging into the freezing water below. Talk about risky business. The flatbed truck just dropped the vehicle. That's definitely not the way you want things to go. A vehicle slips into excessive water, descending downward due to driver error. What a dangerous situation! Watch as the truck topples over, an unexpected turn of events that could have been disastrous. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon.